How to see who have swiped your chat on your Snapchat. So first of all, make sure your device is connected to stable internet connection. Then with the new update on your Snapchat, they have added an option that allows you to see who have swiped your chats. So let me show you. How it works is you need to first open Snapchat and make sure you have been logged in into your Snapchat account. Then go to Bitmoji icon or the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. So in order to see who have swiped your chat on Snapchat, you have to be a Snapchat Plus subscriber. Then only you will be able to see who have swiped your chat on Snapchat. So first thing first, remember you must be a Snapchat Plus subscriber. Once you're on this profile feed, let's select this Snapchat Plus icon. Since here I am not the Snapchat Plus subscriber, so I may not see who have swiped your Snapchat chats. But if you are, then when you scroll down, make sure you see a peek option here. So this is the feature that has to see when a friend have swipes into a chat. You simply need to turn on or enable this option on your Snapchat Plus. Then after that, you have to head over to your chat section. So let's select on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And let me send any message to a particular chat here. So once I have sent, if you are the Snapchat Plus subscriber and when you enable that peek option, then when you swipe to the right using your finger in this way, then you will see the eye icon in front of their message, which means half swipe, and you can start reading the message. If they close it and don't right swipe in this way, then you won't see the eye icon. So if someone does that, then you will get notified about who have swiped your chats on Snapchat. So in this way we can easily see who have swiped your in this way you can see who have swiped your chat on your Snapchat. So note that you must be the Snapchat Plus subscriber. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.